Now let's just jump over to how to actually create your very first gig. So for that, make sure that you have some samples ready of the work that you provide to your clients, like for example your services. So you need to head over to your business section and click on gigs. So this is where you can create a completely new gig, and you can see we have this green option which says create a new gig, and you can easily create using this option. So like for example, let me show you the type of gigs that I have already created. I'm going to be clicking on this preview option, and here you go. So this is a gig and how it actually looks, the pricing. You can see different structures over here, and make sure to include different names for your pricing. So I'm going to be showing you this really quickly, but this is how the final product is going to be looking. So let's just go back and see how to create a completely new gig. I'm going to back really quickly and clicking on create a new gig option, and you will be able to see this kind of screen opened up. So here you need to enter different kind of details, like for example your gig title. Like I will provide UK, English, YouTube, Indian, Hindi and Urdu voiceover services, and other details you can provide in here. Then you have your pricing structure. So once you simply choose and go through all these details, you are going to be selecting the pricing structure. So you can see we have different plans in here introduced. We have the basic plan, includes 100 words, and we have revisions that we can set, and we can set it to whatever that you are going to be offering. We have the price for this. Additional words are going to be costing additional charges, of course. So this is a voiceover based gig, so it only have this plan. Below you can offer different upgrades, like for example extra fast delivery, script proofreading, commercial rights, so on and so forth. So once you go through all these fields, you're going to be jumping next to some gig images. You can see we have the description. Make sure to keep some attractive description over here. Hi there, do you need a voiceover? Welcome, I'm an experienced voiceover artist, so on and so forth. You can see the details can have this bold text, which could be done using this bold option on top left, and you can see through all the details that I have added. So you can generate an authentic looking description. You can also consult different online platforms to go with the best type of keywords to use inside your gigs. You can see we have UK voiceover, Indian accent, maybe much more that we can go with. So yeah, now once you go through this, we're going to be getting to next part, which is going to be the requirement. So this section is basically something that is required as a seller. So if you are selling something, of course you're going to be requiring some details from your clients, like for example a script, maybe some videos, images that you need to incorporate into your project. So if you, these are some of the questions that you can ask them by auto. So this is done automatically by Fiverr. So below you can see we have some questions that we can incorporate as well. Like for example, if I click on add a question, we have like for example is, so you can be really creative in here and simply put the questions that are going to be core requirements to start the project, like is the deadline very strict or anything like that. So you got the point. Once we set this, we can click on save and continue, and it's time for your gallery. So upload your images which suits the best. You can design your thumbnails and everything. You can see once you have your gig images uploaded, they are going to be looking something like this. So make sure to do not add a lot of text. Just keep the key points that you offer, and add a sample video as well if you do have one. I highly recommend creating a video. So once you add all of this stuff, it's finally time for publishing, of course. Then you need to click on publish, save and preview, and now you are going to be publishing. But for that you need to upload stuff, and then it is going to be looking like this. Once your pricing is set, your description is set, and your keywords, videos, then you are finally able to start selling.